Welcome to ScoopBuddy Education. Today we're exploring the top law schools in India that are paving the way for future lawyers. From academic excellence to state-of-the-art facilities, these institutions offer everything an aspiring lawyer needs to succeed. Let's dive in. 1. National Law School of India University, Bangalore. First up, we have the National Law School of India University, Bangalore, commonly known as NLSIU. Established in 1987, this university is one of the most prestigious law schools in India. This university offers a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs. The highlight of their curriculum is the integrated BA LLB Hanzoraji program, a 5-year course that combines arts and law subjects. The university boasts a moot court hall, a well-stocked library, and numerous research centers. Students at this university gain practical experience through moot court competitions, internships, and seminars, preparing them for a successful legal career. 2. National Academy of Legal Studies and Research, Hyderabad. Next, we have the National Academy of Legal Studies and Research, or NALSAR, located in Hyderabad. Founded in 1998, this university is renowned for its academic rigor and vibrant campus life. This university offers undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral programs in law. The BA LLB Hanzoraji program is particularly popular, known for its interdisciplinary approach and emphasis on research. The university's extensive library and research centers provide students with access to a wealth of resources. This university also emphasizes practical training through moot courts, legal aid clinics, and internships with top law firms. 3. National Law University, Delhi. Another top law school is the National Law University, Delhi. Established in 2008, NLU Delhi has quickly risen to prominence in the legal education landscape. This university offers undergraduate and postgraduate law programs, including the BA, LLB, Hons, and LLM programs. The university is known for its rigorous academic standards and state-of-the-art infrastructure. With a well-equipped library, moot court hall, and experienced faculty, this university ensures students receive a comprehensive legal education. The university also encourages students to participate in internships and research projects to gain practical insights. 4. The West Bengal National University of Juridical Sciences, Kolkata. The West Bengal National University of Juridical Sciences, or NUJS, located in Kolkata, is another top contender. Established in 1999, this university is known for its academic excellence and vibrant student community. This university offers a variety of law programs, including the integrated BA LLB Hanzoraji program. The university's curriculum is designed to provide a strong foundation in legal principles while encouraging critical thinking and research. This university facilities include a modern library, moot court hall, and numerous research centers. Students at this university benefit from the university's emphasis on practical training, with opportunities for internships, moot courts, and legal aid activities. 5. National Law Institute University, Bhopal. Finally, we have the National Law Institute University, Bhopal, established in 1997. NLIU is known for its dynamic academic environment and commitment to producing top-notch legal professionals. This university offers undergraduate and postgraduate law programs, including the BA LLB Hanzoraji program. The university provides students with access to excellent facilities, including a comprehensive library, moot court hall, and research centers. Students at this university benefit from a strong focus on practical training, with ample opportunities for internships, moot courts, and participation in legal aid clinics. These are just a few of the top law schools in India that are paving the way for future lawyers. With their rigorous academic programs, state-of-the-art facilities, and emphasis on practical training, these institutions are shaping the next generation of legal professionals.